we're really excited about CafeVoz and the features that it has in it. I want to show you, this is kind of a pre-release version of it. We're still working on some things, and there's obviously a lot to do. Let me just show you where we are right now so you can see if this looks like something that's good. This is a regular user. You log in. You have these public lists that have terms in them. So say you have a list for Judge Jones. You can click on it. You can play the
Plea
list.
agreement.
Convenio declaratorio.
Plead guilty.
Declararse culpable.
You know, I can try to fit those words in there before.
Defense attorney.
Abogado defensor.
So then I can just play it like that while I'm driving, while I'm doing yard work or whatever it is I'm doing. I also have this complete list. So if I want to, I can again play all the terms here. So let's say, for example, I want to quiz myself.
Plea agreement.
Convenio declaratorio.
Okay, I got that one wrong.
Plead guilty.
Declararse culpable.
Declararse culpable.
Oh, yeah.
Defense attorney.
Abogado defensor.
Abogado defensor.
Yeah. So, you know, I can see I got a couple. That one still needs a little practice. The one I marked as incorrect is now down here on my refined list. And so I can either play all these terms and just listen to it, or I can
Plea agreement.
Convenio declaratorio.
Convenio declaratorio. Okay, let's do it.
Plea agreement.
Convenio declaratorio.
Convenio declaratorio.
So when I get that right, then I can click that away, and that's now going to go off my list, and I know that I've got that done. So now I can go to a new list and work through it. You can see that some of these, you know.
Hold on. What if you want to go back and you forgot some of the terms in Judge's?
Okay.
Judge Jones's.
So if I say, well, you know what, back to Judge Jones, maybe there's some that I don't really remember. Again, I can just come back here at any time and quiz myself. And if I want to just re-hammer Abogado Defensor, and I just click here and here and here, then these terms are going to come back on my refined list, so I can work through that. So again, there's lists with multiple terms here that we can work through. I can also add a list. So say here I don't have any lists, but I want to create a list. So this is maybe this is, I'll call this district court terms. District, okay. And so I have to be careful with this because my wife's the certified interpreter and I'm just the guy doing the videos. But for example, if I put courthouse, tribunal, I want to add another term here. I can put lawyer and abogado. And I might make that lowercase. And I can just add all these terms. So now what I need to do is indicate language 1 on this side is English, and language 2 is Spanish in this case. And I'm going to add it to district court terms. So I push save. Should take about 2 seconds or so for each term that I added to my list. And now if I go back, I have this my list, and so I can come and test myself on the list.
Courthouse.
Tribunal.
Lawyer.
Abogado.
So that'll be coming soon, so you can make that public if you want to share it with other people. But right now it's private. And for example, my certified court interpreter back here in the back end is saying change web.
Tribunal to juzgado. It could be either way, but just
Okay.
Just say you like juzgado better.
Say we like juzgado better. So we save that, and it's updated. So I'm going to go back here to the main list, go to my terms, And I'm going to actually test myself.
Courthouse.
Tribunal.
Juzgado.
Lawyer.
Abogado.
But you can see how quickly the terms update. And so this is the point of it, is that you can start doing it. And then you can come through these, some of these public lists that we have. And if you have a list that you want us to make public, we're happy to do that. Just share it with us. You can see, here's the email, smiles@CafeVoz. But we have a complete list here where, we can see.
Affect. He uses this word to say moods.
Estado de ánimo. Humor. Emociones.
Okay, well, I got that one wrong.
Manic and depressed.
Maníaco y depresivo.
Maníaco y depresivo.
Mood overlays.
And I already know I'm going to
Empalmes
get
de
that one wrong.
estado de ánimo.
So anyway, you go through this whole list, and now the ones that I have gotten incorrect are going to start showing here on my quiz terms list, so I can start working through that. So that's a quick look at CafeVoz. We've still got a lot of work to do. We've got a lot of features that we're adding to it. So take a look at it and see if this is something that can help you with your interpreting.